Good morning everybody, it's your boy Verkert here. Today is a very special day because today we are testing out once again another new modification, and that is of course the brake system. Now pretty sure you've probably seen it in the past few videos where the rotors were like a bit rusty on like the center part, and some of the areas were starting to wear out a bit on the outside area of the rotors. So I kind of had to think like, maybe I need to get like new rotors, clean brake pads too, which is why I got Hawk Performance like rotors, including the HPS 5.0 Street Performance brake pads. We're gonna see all that stuff works out good in autocross events. Be sure to like button, subscribe button. Let's see how these things do in race. So as it turns out, in today's like autocross video, we had like a great time, and the last one I actually got like fast time, even though I kind of hit a cone, but whatever, I'll take that any day. And what's the point about this video is we were testing new brakes. So apparently we have like these Hawk Performance like rotors, and these calipers are the Hawk Performance HSP 5.0 Street Performance brake pads to see how well those things did. And by the looks of it, the way it stopped at the very end of the race, turns out it was a heck of an improvement. It helped us like get stopped more on time and more quicker. So that was actually a good purchase, along with the DOT4 Hawk Performance brake fluid. We poured it into the brake cylinder as well, and we might, and sooner or later we might get some more the linkage in the back, because those are very broken, so we might get to getting that replaced as well. Well, that's all we have for today's video. Don't forget the like button, subscribe button. We'll see you on the next race. Deuces.